Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail from a personal account to a full business account for 2026. Yeah, this process can look a little confusing at first, but don't worry, I'll take you through it step by step. All right, let's get into it. First things first, sign in to the personal Gmail account that you want to turn into a business setup. Just use your usual email and password. Nothing fancy here, just the normal login. Once you're inside Gmail, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage Your Google Account. This is where all your account level controls live, including upgrading to a business profile. Now, this next part, yeah, it's a little tucked away on the left side. Look for the section called Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google links your account to business services and upgrades. Scroll down until you see an option for upgrading to Google Workspace. That's basically Google's business version of Gmail. Click the button to get started, and Google will guide you through choosing a business plan. You can use your existing Gmail address for your business dashboard. Yeah, that's pretty handy. Next, Google will ask for your business name and whether you already have a domain. If you don't have one, you can buy a domain right there, but if you already own one, just select the option to use your existing domain. This is what turns your Gmail into a real business inbox. After that, just follow the prompts to finish the Workspace setup. It'll walk you through verifying your domain, creating your business email identity, and yeah, all the basics. Once that's done, your personal Gmail becomes a full business account with extra tools and storage. And that's pretty much it. You've officially switched your Gmail from personal to business using Google Workspace. It's cleaner, more professional, and you get way more control over your email. If this guide helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.